This is Nick from Division of IT presenting how to install Print Anywhere on macOS. Here are the quick steps if you would like to pause this video now and try these steps on your own. These are the steps for what to expect when you print. To begin, go to doit.missouri.edu and then click on the yellow Print Anywhere button. And here, sign in with your university username and password. Once you are signed in, you want to go to the Print Anywhere tab in the top left and then select the operating system. For us, that's going to be Mac OS X. And then you will want to choose the category of the printer that you want to print to, and then select the printer from this list. And you can select multiple printers. They will all install next to each other and not replace one another. Now click Get Print Anywhere, and that will start the download for the printer driver. After that has downloaded, you'll want to go into your downloads folder and run that file. In the window that pops up, you want to open that PKG file, and this is the installer that you'll want to run through. You will then want to click Continue, and then Install, and then enter your username and password for the computer. This is just the password you use to log into the machine. And then click Install Software. Once this is done installing, click Close, and then feel free to move the file to the trash. You won't need it anymore. Now we're going to take you back to the quick steps to tell you about printing. This is what you can expect when you go to print. Go ahead and pause now if you want to take a look at these further. So now we are going to go to print. We're opening up Word just for the sake of the example. It could really be PowerPoint, Excel, any file that you want. The key is when you go to print, choose the Print Anywhere printer that you want to print to. So since he is already printed, we are not going to see the installation of the HP driver in this video, but when he clicks print here, we're going to see the windows that pop up, like this one, asking for your university username and password. Once that's good, go ahead and click print. The second window is asking you to approve the charges from your printing quota. If that's okay, go ahead and click OK. Then it will show you a pop-up of which printer it's actually going to. Some printer banks have printers 1 through 4. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact Division of IT at 573-882-5000.